Take a ride in the 2019 RX. This vehicle is powered by a all-wheel drive, 6-cylinder, 3.5-liter engine and comes with a automatic transmission. Great fuel efficiency saves you money by requiring fewer trips to the gas station. This vehicle has less than 30,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rain-sensing wipers, tire pressure monitor, electronic stability control, all-wheel drive, heated mirrors, alloy wheels, aluminum wheels, rear spoiler, power liftgate, traction control. Inside you'll find backup camera, smart device integration, adaptive cruise control, HD radio, satellite radio, auxiliary audio input, steering wheel audio controls, security system, auto dimming rear view mirror, PPO.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a CARFAX Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX Buyback Guarantee.